We'll practice calculating static and kinetic friction forces on a level surface. Here's the problem. A 25 kilogram crate sits on a level floor with a coefficient of static friction of 0.50 and a coefficient of kinetic friction of 0.35. Part A, find the minimum horizontal force needed to start the crate moving. Part B, find the horizontal force needed to keep it moving at constant velocity. Part C, explain one advantage and one disadvantage of this difference. First, we find the force needed to overcome maximum static friction. F start equals mu sub s times mg equals 0.50 times 25 times 9.8 equals 122.5 newtons. Next, find the force to keep it moving at constant velocity, which balances kinetic friction. F keep equals mu sub k times mg equals 0.35 times 25 times 9.8 equals 85.75 newtons. Now compare the two forces and interpret. Static friction of 122.5 newtons exceeds kinetic friction of 85.75 newtons. Advantage: larger static friction lets objects and our feet grip without slipping. Disadvantage: more effort is required to initiate motion than to sustain it. Answer: F start equals 1.2 times 10 to the 2 newtons. F keep equals 86 newtons. Remember that static friction is generally larger than kinetic friction, so starting motion requires more force than keeping it going.